How to fix Spotify device limit reset on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications, and after this go to Spotify, search for it, and when you found it like this, just open it and go to storage option. Then you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK, and the last thing is going to Play Store and updating Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.